Hi lovely viewers, welcome to your own channel EasySaminJewelery. I'm here with you with an elegant pearl necklace tutorial. Pearl beaded necklace we are making today. Its tutorial is here. We have picked 5 pearls with 1 clasp. It's the beginning of necklace. In start we have added clasp, and after making double knot we will proceed further. Pull it tightly. We will cut from here extra thread, and after trimming extra thread we have to pass through one pearl. Here we have to string 3 mm white pearls. We will string 20 pearls in start of our necklace making. We have to bead 3 mm pearls, white pearls. 20 pearls will be stringed here. The starting part of our necklace. Now we have started. Next step, we have to add here 3 silver bicones 3 mm. We have to work here in triangle weave. Each time we have added 3. We have to start with 3 silver bicones triangle weave stitch. Now each time we will add 2 bicones each time, as we do in triangle weave stitch. This is a basic stitch. So we passed through 1 previous silver bicone and we added 2 more bicones. This is triangle weave. Here we will add 2 more silver bicones 3 mm. In this way we will continue adding 2 each time silver bicones. We will repeat this process till the end of this round, in which we are adding silver bicones or beading stitches triangle weave. We are adding silver bicones. In this way we will complete the base of our necklace in triangle weave stitch. We have made this basic center part in triangle weave stitch. You have to make it according to your neck size. Which the neck size is yours, you have to add according the size of neck. We have added 24 triangle boxes. We are counting for you. We have 24 triangle boxes in this string of bicones. This is the center part of our necklace. we have made it. Now we are stringing white pearls 3 mm as we added in start of necklace. The same way we have to add 20 pearls 3 mm here on the other side of our necklace. Now here, this is the end of the string. We have to add 4 pearls. We have to make a loop for jump ring here. This is 4 beads loop in which we will add. We have added it 1 jump ring. For our necklace clasp, we have added 1 jump ring in 4 beads middle. Now we are coming back. We will pass through back. We will come to all stringing beads, pearl beads. We have to pass through all these 20 beads, pearls, to make it secure and for the further process. So we have completed the process of adding clasps jump ring, and we have stringed 20 pearls again in the end of this necklace. And now we have to start next round, next process. We have to add here pearls of 2 different sizes, 4 mm and 3 mm. We have to first we have to add between silver bicones. We have to add in start. We are adding 1 pearl 4 mm, and here after adding this we will add 1 3 mm, then again 1 4 mm, then again 3 mm. In this way 1 4 mm, 1 3 mm, 1 4 mm, 1 3 mm. In one side we will do this process, and the other side we have completed. We have added 3 mm pearls between silver bicones. In this way our necklace is completed by adding these pearls. Now we are going back through the all beads of pearls, through all pearls of our necklace stringing beads, stringing pearls, and here we are finishing our beading process. We have to make some finishing knots here on the end of our necklace part. So we have to make 2 or 3 times finishing knots to make it secure, and in this way an elegant pearl necklace we have made today. I hope you guys like it. You must try it. It's very easy, but it's very elegant, and in its making we used silver bicones with white pearls. 2 different sizes of pearls we used in this necklace making, and I hope the color combination you would like it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share your channels, EasySaminJewelery. From my channel I upload YouTube shorts. These are very short time duration videos. You must watch it. These are final looks of today's project. Don't skip it. Watch it, enjoy it. Today's project, an elegant pearl beaded necklace with bicones, silver bicones. Very easy and very easy to learn it. So watch full video to learn it, to make it. Here on different colors background we are showing you the elegant necklace, beaded necklace, pearl beaded necklace. Very simple, very easy. Today's tutorial, today's necklace pattern, triangle weave in basic stitch in which we worked today. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.